Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, the topic of today's videos is quite interesting because in this video we are going to discuss that why it is really important to speak English, why it is really important to learn English. Actually, I have received so many questions from my students as well that ma'am, why it is really important to speak English, why it is really important to speak English everywhere, why it is really important to learn English nowadays. So in this video I am going to tell you the answer of all these questions. So keep watching till the end because in the end of the video I'll tell you three most important facts why it is really important to learn English nowadays in India or across the India, how you will get lots of benefits of English over there, right? So keep watching till the end. See guys, first of all I want to tell you the importance of English. Knowing English has become very important in India as well, and even English is the second most spoken language of our country. If we'll talk about the South Indian people, they cannot understand Hindi very well, they cannot even speak Hindi very well, they can just understand their South Indian language or English language only. They can speak English very well as well. So why we cannot say that English is our second most spoken language or second most important national language as well, right? Even you will get shocked when you will get to know about 50% of Indian people always try to search on Google how to learn English. Yeah, this is really true. If you will find on the Google, then you will get to know always about this is the most searchable keyword of India, how to learn English. Okay, and even if you really want to survive in this competition time, this is really important to learn English for all of us. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the three most important fact why it is really important to learn English nowadays. First most important fact is that English is a global language. Yes guys, I'm not saying that there is no value of Hindi. Hindi is really beautiful language. I really appreciate Hindi. I really like to speak in Hindi as well. But if we'll talk about the globally, then English is a global language. You can speak English everywhere where you want to go across the India. So this was the first reason, and the second most important reason is that if you really want to get good opportunities in your career, then again English will be very important for you, because if you really want to work in multinational companies, then again you will need to have very good command on English, so that you will get better opportunities in your career, or you will get lots of lots of new opportunities as well, and you can work with multinational companies. This is again second reason according to me. And the third most important reason is that if you are planning to study in abroad, again English is very important for all of us, because if you are planning to study in abroad, you need to pass an exam, ESL means the basic English exam. You need to pass that. For that you really need to have very good command on English, because without passing that exam you cannot go there, you can't study there. But if you have passed that exam, you will get lots of opportunity, you can get better career over there, you can settle down over there. So these were the three reasons according to me, that because of that you really need to have very good command on English, even if we'll talk about in India only. So that again, if in India you will get if you have very good command on English, you can communicate with lots of the people, and you will get lots of opportunity to get very big to complete to your dreams come true. I must say that. See guys, I'm not against Hindi. I really appreciate Hindi language. Even Hindi is very important language, because in about 50% people of India always speak in Hindi only. So try to speak that language according to the situation where you are, because we are not creating the discrimination. We are not talking about the debate over here that English is important or Hindi is important. I'm just trying to tell you the importance of English nowadays. See guys, we are speaking English, that doesn't means that we are following Britishers or we are becoming Britishers. English is just a language. Try to think as a language only, or try to learn as a language only, because now if you will develop English, will develop your personality. If you will develop, our nation will develop, because you all are our future of the country. So please guys, try to learn English, try to speak in English, so that you will get lots of opportunity to do better things in your life. According to me, this was my point of view. According to you, these things can be changed also. So I'm not forcing you to learn English, I'm not forcing you to speak English, but according to me, if you really want to improve your personality, so this is really important nowadays. So these were the three reasons according to me. If you really like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and share to all your friends. Thank you so much.